Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to download Dave Game for your PC. In order to download Dave Game for your PC, simply launch open Microsoft Store. Go and search for Microsoft Store in the search box at the bottom left of your PC and open up Microsoft Store by giving it a click. Also, you must be logged in with your Microsoft account, and then after you are, in the search box, search for Dave and press enter. Scroll down and click on the Dangerous Dave action and adventure game. Dave is a classic platform game where you play as Dave, a brave adventurer who collects gold cups and avoids enemies and traps. To get the application downloaded, click the Get button. After the application is downloaded and installed, click the Play button. And there you have successfully downloaded the Dave game on your PC. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.